I was reading last
Hi,
night that
I'm
Hi,
Paige.
and I'm Hope, and this is
the
Paige and Hope Show. Woo!
by the way? Yep.
We're on the road to
You were
Rittenberg.
saying the Christmas market
Yes,
is only till today.
and we're very bored.
Yeah, we've only been driving for like 2 minutes. But at least we're driving, so it's a short
What's
ride.
today? Sunday before
We'll
Christmas.
probably make a lot of videos though, because we're dorks.
Maybe.
That brochure you gave me said the 23rd, but today's the 21st.
Let's try to keep a straight face.
Most of them are the 23rd, but that's
Wait,
I don't know which gas station he uses. Shell? Yep.
Do it again.
He has to go to a certain one because the company pays for his gas.
Wait.
wait.
Gas prices came way down here too. That's good. It's really, yeah. Ridiculous.
You're just like. Ciao.